In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in StanStore. Setting up your sales tax properly is really important because it helps you stay compliant and make sure your customers see the right prices at checkout. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own account as we go. First, log into your StanStore account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll see a menu option called Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. At the top of the Settings page, you'll notice several tabs. Find the one labeled Payments and click on that to open your payment-related options. Inside the Payments section, look for the option that says Enable Taxes. This is usually shown as a toggle switch. To turn on tax collection, click that toggle so it's enabled. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear asking for your tax address. This is the address that will be used to determine where you're registered for tax purposes. Carefully fill out each field in this pop-up. Enter your street address, your city, your state or province, your postal code, and your country. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date, because tax rules and rates are often based on this exact information. When you're done, click the Update button. The page will reload, and at the top you should see a notification confirming that the update was successful. Once taxes are enabled, you'll see options to set up how taxes apply to your products. You'll have two main choices: inclusive and exclusive tax. Inclusive tax means the tax is already included in the price your customers see. Exclusive tax means tax is added on top of the listed price at checkout. StanStore will show you a simple example using a $20 product so you can clearly see how each option affects what your customer pays and how much you receive. If you ever need to change your tax address later, you can. Just look for your current tax address on the same page, and on the right side you'll see an Edit option. Click that to update any part of your address and save your changes. Below that, you'll see a section called Tax Registrations. This area shows the location where you're currently enrolled to collect tax, based on the tax address you entered. And that's all you need to set up sales tax in StanStore.